Welcome to a new era of intelligence, an era where technology and humanity work hand in hand for the future. Today, we dive deep into one of the most transformative technologies of our time, artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel today. We're exploring how OpenAI is revolutionizing the world by pioneering the development of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. But more importantly, we'll see why building AGI safely is crucial for the future of humanity. What is AGI? So, what exactly is AGI? Unlike narrow AI, which excels in specific tasks, like recognizing faces or driving a car, AGI has the capability to perform any intellectual task that a human can. Think of it as creating a machine that can not only learn, but reason, understand, and adapt just like us. OpenAI's mission is simple yet profound, to ensure that AGI benefits all of humanity. But what does this really mean? OpenAI isn't just focused on creating the smartest machines, they're also focused on safety, ethics, and cooperation. They aim to build AGI in a way that is transparent, responsible, and most importantly, aligned with human values. The importance of safety. Why is safety such a big concern? Well, while AGI has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest challenges, like climate change, poverty, and healthcare disparities, it also comes with risks. If AGI were developed without proper safeguards, we could see unintended consequences that might be difficult or even impossible to control. OpenAI's approach to safe AGI. This is where OpenAI comes in. Their approach to AGI is built on three key pillars: safety, collaboration, and transparency. 1. Safety. First, OpenAI has dedicated massive resources to researching how to make AGI systems robust and aligned with human values. They develop techniques that ensure AGI behaves in ways that are predictable, controllable, and beneficial. 2. Collaboration. OpenAI believes that no single entity should control AGI. Instead, they advocate for a cooperative global effort. They share their research, data, and tools with the world to ensure that AGI development benefits everyone, not just a select few. 3. Transparency. They also emphasize transparency in AI development. This ensures that people understand how AGI works, making it easier to identify and correct any potential problems. Potential benefits of AGI. Now let's talk about the exciting part, the potential benefits of AGI. Imagine an AGI that can develop new medicines at an unprecedented pace, helping doctors cure diseases that were once thought incurable. Or an AGI that can analyze climate data and devise solutions to slow down global warming. The possibilities are endless. Ethical considerations. However, while the benefits are exciting, we must also think about the ethical implications. OpenAI is tackling questions like: how do we ensure AGI respects human rights? How do we prevent bias in these systems? And how do we make sure that AGI serves everyone equally, regardless of where they live? The future of AGI with OpenAI envisions a future where AGI serves as a tool that amplifies human potential rather than replacing it. By making sure AGI is developed with humanity's best interests in mind, they are helping shape a future where technology enhances our lives in ways we've only dreamed of. Narrator, on camera. The rise of AGI is inevitable, but how we manage and guide its development is what will define our future. OpenAI's commitment to building a safe, transparent, and beneficial AGI gives us hope that this technology can truly be a force for good in the world. And that's the key, ensuring that AGI is a tool for everyone, not just a few. If OpenAI succeeds, we could be on the brink of a new golden age, where the challenges of today are met with solutions powered by the intelligence of tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more tech-driven content. Let's continue this conversation in the comments. How do you feel about the rise of AGI and the role of OpenAI? I'd love to hear your thoughts.